Hello friends, welcome to our channel AYT India Academy 2.0. This channel is mainly made for the English language viewers. Here we will upload the videos in English language only, as our South Indian friends are not very comfortable in Hindi, so we have make a judgment to make another channel in English language as well. In this video, we will gonna see a detailed format of hourly production report. What are the parameters in that format and how we can fill that format to get the maximum efficiency out of our machine. So without wasting any time, I will start explaining you the hourly production report format for CNC machines. As you can see, there is format on your screen. Here is the heading hourly production report. This report will work as the hourly production as well as daily production report. Here are some headers. First one is machine runtime start and second one is machine runtime end. This is the runtime which is displayed on the machine panel. As you know, the CNC machine has screen which is connected to their PLC or drive, which gives us the runtime of the machine. So here we will enter the runtime when we start the machine, and in the second column we will enter the runtime when we stop the machine. As you can see here, 5 to 12, it is almost 7 hours or 7 hour 15 minutes. So in a shift of 12 hours, machine actually runs for 7 hours. So it gives us the clear indication for how much time machine run actually. Now the third one is total part count start and the fourth one is total part count end. This is also the same thing. The machine panel will show us the part count start at which we have started the machine. In the starting of the shift, it will show us the part numbers. For example, for this report, the part number was 43 when the machine started or shift started, and the total part count at the end was 105. Machine runtime start and total part count start. These data will be filled at the start of the shift. We will fill these headings at the start of the shift, and the total part count end, these we will fill at the end of the shift. Now let's move forward. Here is the machine name and number. Here is the operator name. Here is the machine start time at which the machine or shift started. Here is the date. This is the shift and this is B shift. So these are the headers of the reports which need to be filled at the start or end of the shift. Now let's move forward. Now we will discuss the headers of the columns. First one is serial number, then is time, then part time number, operation number, cycle time, number of pieces per machine cycle, target quantity, machine part count number, actual OK quantity, quantity rejected, production time, total downtime, and here are the reasons of the downtime, and here are the remarks. Now let's discuss one by one. In the time column, we have basically divided the 12 hours into 1 hour row. Here is 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11, 12, 12 to 13. Similarly till 8 p.m. Okay. These are pre-filled. Now here is part name and number. Here we will note down the part number and name of the part which we are running on the part. Suppose this is XYZ or 123 part number. Then is operation number. Operation number is like, suppose we have a part XYZ. It has 3 operation: OP10, OP20 and OP30. So here we will add the operation number. For this part, this is the first operation. So we have written here is OP first, OP10. Now it is the cycle time. We have added 2 things in cycle time. In case of CNC machine, we have to load and unload the piece as well. So here we have written the cycle time plus loading and unloading time. Cycle time for the piece is 7 minutes 11 seconds and loading unloading time is 45 seconds. Now the next column is number of pieces, number of plays per machining cycle. In some cases, there are some fixtures in which we put the 5 parts in single one time. So here then we will write down 5 pieces, but in this case there is only one part. For in that case, in which 5 parts are placed at once, the total cycle time will be divided by 5, so that we can get the actual cycle time of one piece. Therefore, this column is added here. Then is target quantity. It is the target quantity for 1 hour. It is based on the cycle time plus loading unloading time. The target quantity for this hour is 7.5 piece. Then is machine count number. At the end of the hour, what is the part count number of the machine? Here we will note down that. As you can see, at the start of the shift it was 43, and at the end of the 9 am or starting of the 9 am the part count was 47. So total part was produced 4 nose. 47 minus 43, 4 nose part was produced. Rejected quantity, is there any reject piece produced in this hour? Then we will write down here. If no, then we will write down 0. Then is production time. Here we have total 60 minutes in 1 hour. Production time was 50 minutes and 10 minutes was downtime. And downtime was due to quality problem. Here we have ticked the box and here we have written down the minutes which we have lost in this quality issue. The total productive time was 50 minutes and total downtime was 10 minutes. Here we have written down almost every reason of breakdown, like new job setting, chip cleaning, no planning, underdevelopment, no material, no operator, power cut, machine breakdown, machine cleaning, no tool, jig fixtures problem, no air, insert tool change, quality problems. So we will repeat all these things till 12 hours or 8 hours, whichever the shift time. Suppose here is the part at 2 p.m. the part gets changes. Then we will write down the part number. Suppose it is ABC. Then do the similar things for that part as well. The benefit of hourly production report is that the operator can see easily that he had to produce 7.5 pieces per hour. It means every 2 hours he had to produce 13 pieces. Now he is producing 4 and 3. So he can get some motivation or target to achieve the production target. That's why we record the production in hourly production report. At the end of the shift, it should be signed by the operator. Then should be approved or checked by the supervisor. Then production head or production manager can review this format. So if you like the format, then you can make the format by seeing this video easily. It is a very easy and simple format and giving us the complete detail of the machine. At the end of the 12th hour, we have also added the total part count or total part produced, like we have produced 62 pieces. Okay. And the target was 7.5 hours. If we want to calculate the efficiency, then we can calculate the efficiency easily here. So if you like the video, then do subscribe our channel and like the video as well, and share this video to as many as people, so that the more person can get benefit of this video. We have another channel called AYT India Academy, on which we upload the videos in Hindi format. So we will end this video for now. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Dhanyawad.